everybody, what's up? Life is back here and welcome to episode 5 of my mini tutorials. And like always, go ahead and go get your makeup bag. If you're just watching, go ahead and go get a snack, go get a drink, and let's go ahead and get this on and poppin'. Like always, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some time. So let's go ahead and give you some time. Ready, set, go. And you're good. So to be very honest with you guys, I did film this video before, but I did have background noise. I had left the TV on and yeah, that didn't work out. So I took off whatever I had, primed again, and we're gonna go ahead and go on with this tutorial. Today, I'm honestly really feeling some pink vibes, some cuteness, real cute with some rhinestones. Retro Page actually posted a pic, and honestly it was like my sign to do a look with some rhinestones because I have not done that in a while. So that honestly told me, girl, you better do it. I had purchased these on Amazon a while back. It's like 2 sets of rhinestones. It's a colorful one and also just like a silver one. And I just had them there, just like sitting there, and I was like, I want to do a rhinestone look, and then I just never did it. Put it off, put it off, and put it off. So today's my chance, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a look with some rhinestones in it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and use the N69 palette, and let's go ahead and just, you know, get into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe M514 and go in with Alien Girl and go in with that shade in my crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. We're gonna go X Games mode. Now that I have that pink done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with the P. Louise base. So now that my cut creases are done, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here, which is Leo, and place that on my lid. Alrighty guys, so I've added Leo to my lid, and I honestly feel like I am missing something. So I think I'm gonna add a white liner from the water activated liners and just go ahead and play off of that. I was gonna just do this and add rhinestones and we're good to go, but I honestly feel like it's not it, and I feel like I have to add a little bit more. So I'm gonna add the liner and see where this takes us. So I'm gonna speed through the liner and get back to you guys so we can add the rhinestones. Alrighty, so I kind of got carried away. I did the liner, I put my eyelashes on, and I did my face. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and add rhinestones to this. So let's go ahead and put the rhinestones on together. So let's go ahead and get them out. I think for the first one, I'm gonna go ahead and add above my arch. I'm just gonna put some clear glue on and add it to the area. I'm gonna get a smaller one and add it right here.
So I was supposed to talk to you guys while I was putting the rhinestones on, which I did somewhat, but I was super focused on putting these rhinestones on. But just a little tip when working with rhinestones or any little thing that you want to go ahead and apply to the face, I honestly recommend an eyelash glue, specifically a clear one. And also, if you're doing this during any Halloween time, I recommend a spirit gum or a liquid latex for that as well. But we'll get into that during Life as you've had 16 days till Halloween. Yes, that's coming back.
Alrighty guys, so I have added the rhinestones. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I added the lip. This is Main Squeeze by Morphe. Honestly guys, I wanted to mute down my lips and make it neutral as possible because of this eye and this bling. Honestly guys, I am super obsessed. Like for real, like let's have a little moment.
I said certified freak. 7 days a week. Wet and gushy, make that pull-out game weak. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, you dealing with some wet and gushy. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet and gushy. Give me everything you got.
Alrighty guys, so we had our little moment. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I am loving it. Honestly guys, like I said, the eyes are the highlight of this look, and that's the reason why I had the black background with the black shirt. I wanted to keep it simple, and it honestly came out amazing, and I am obsessed. Guys, adding rhinestones to a look honestly changes it dramatically. Alrighty you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed episode 5 of the mini tutorials. I honestly sure did. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Leave a suggestion down below what you guys would like to see in the next episode of the mini tutorials. And yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Yo perreo sola.